Alright, good evening everyone. So today we are going to play bingo again. In here I have the words, okay? But to make it so different, I will mention the bahasa, and then you will try to find what is the English in here, and you will mark, okay? If you can find 5 words in a line, you get point. It's called bingo, okay? So here I have the first. We have the bedroom theme. Say hi, the bedroom theme. Hi. Okay. And here I have this one is the bathroom theme. Okay. So let's go. We call Catherine and Alice for the first. Remember, I explained the rule. Okay. No. Okay. I have explained the rule, and then you have understood the rule. Okay. So let's go. I will mention the word. Look at the board and please prepare. No, need. Just use your hand like that. The other, please keep silent. Pagar. Pagar. Jendela. Cerobong asap. Balkon. Balkon. Bel pintu. Bel pintu. Ruang kerja. Ruang kerja. Kolam renang.